Alright guys, I don't know if this video is being recorded, if it sounds very good or not, but back on the KLR here, and it's been a minute. I just wanted to get another little vlog in and let you guys know what's up. I've been gone a while. Had a rough year, rough summer, rough year. First and foremost, I lost my dad July 19th. And that's really all that matters as far as why I've been gone. You know, if you know that, then that's probably enough. But just dealing with that, and he's been in and out of the hospital for since last fall, really, off and on, and then he went in April, May, around that, and didn't really come out. He had some heart problems and heart failure eventually, along with some other things. He had mild diabetes, type 2, and that kind of attributed to his whole downfall. But anyway, he turned 74 in June, and was in the hospital. And the same month, my mom and dad had their anniversary, 50 years together. So he made it for that. But anyway, it's been hard. If any of you lost parents or close family members, you know how it is. You know what I'm going through. If you haven't, just know that you'll get through it. Kind of because you have to. You just got to keep going, you know. But anyway, it's been rough. And I'm back, and I don't want to talk too much about that, but I wanted to let you guys know where I've been, what's been going on. There were a couple months there where I was having some neck trouble, back trouble, from an old racing accident. It's, when you get ruptured discs in your neck and you don't have major surgery done, it can come back to haunt you multiple times afterward, mostly due to inflammation and stuff. So I was on medication for that for a while, and trying to get the inflammation down, and get that pain level down and get everything. Anyway, I've just had a lot to deal with family and medical issues and things, and I'm back for now, feeling pretty good. So I'm back on the bike. What else? Battery died while I had the bike in storage for a little while. I tried to charge it. In fact, I actually tried to open each cell and refill it with distilled water and charge it, and it didn't work. When I checked the battery acid, it was completely dry, and I didn't think it would come back from that, but I went ahead and tried it anyway, and it didn't. So I ended up getting an AGM battery. It's not a LiPo, but it's not a acid battery. It's in the middle. So what they basically do is have an acid battery, and they put gel in there instead of liquid. And the gel is non-serviceable. It is sealed. You don't have to worry about spilling anything during a fall. But you don't have a LiPo, and it's less expensive than a LiPo for sure. GM I bought was called Pirate battery, and I'll show a picture of it if I have it. If I don't, you can pretty much look it up, but it was recommended on Amazon. It came fast, it was charged well, and so far it's holding the charge pretty nicely. It actually fit into the battery, same battery compartment, with no issues. Polarity was the right on the right side, and it fit nicely. So if you guys are looking for a battery, cheap, but you don't want to go with an acid battery, you want to go with a sealed battery, the Pirate batteries are pretty nice. And I want to say it was around in the 40s. It could have been $50 total. What else? Grip Puppies. I got some Grip Puppies on here. They are nice. To increase the width of my grip on these, because it just didn't feel like the size of bike that it was. It was very thin hand grips, and these had a little vibration in them too. Sometimes my hand would go a little numb when riding long distances. So Grip Puppies, I put them on with Windex. They went on nicely. That was a recommendation from Ron C, and it made sense because using Dawn or dishwashing detergent just makes them sometimes too slippery, and they don't want to dry easily. These had no trouble drying quickly. So just coat the inside with Windex, coat the grip with Windex, and push them on there. I didn't even take the bar ends off. I just slid them right over. Yeah, so the grip feels a lot better now. And I think I cut off maybe a ½ inch. I just measured them up from here to the end of the grip, and then I took a pair of scissors and just snipped it off. And it worked great. They're about $20. I'll post a picture of those up here. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to fill you guys in on where I've been, what's been going on, and why I haven't been putting any vlogs up. This isn't my job. I have a full-time job, and I do this for fun, and just to, you know, I'm already recording on my cameras, on my helmet, so just figured why not, you know. But anyway, yeah, I miss my dad. Taught me most everything I know, and maybe I'll throw up a few pictures of the old days when I was a kid, but you know, he's the one that got me into motorcycles, and he doesn't claim to do that though. He doesn't like the fact that I ride, but he doesn't like the fact that I do anything dangerous. But yeah, he got me into motorcycles, and from an early age gave me the bug, I guess you could say, and into cars, working on cars, and you know, just was always a great dad, always there for me growing up, and I miss him a lot. So anyway, there's that. I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and hopefully I'll be throwing some more vlog content up pretty soon. But I just wanted to go ahead and get a quick one up there and let you guys know I'm still here, and I'll be around. Alright, you guys take care.